I've been going through a lot of inserts on my lathe, cutting steel, so I decided to pick up a misting kit. Uh, this was the majority of what I got. There was also another mister in there and a large piece of clear hose for the air to go in, along with a container for the fluid. Originally, I bought this hoping there would be a model number on the container so I get another one for when I buy a milling machine, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. So I got the lathe torn apart so I could work on it and get the mister put on the back there. It was next to impossible with that splash guard on the back to actually do any work there. If anyone knows how to put these together, can you leave a comment down in the comment section there? I appreciate that. Just kidding, it's pretty simple to get this back together. So originally my concept on this was to just bolt that piece of metal on the back and put that mister up in the air, but that didn't look very good after it was all done. So I decided to take the same piece and bolt it across so the mister's actually sitting down, and that way easy to get to both the air line and the fluid line, plus easy to get to the adjusters, and it looks a lot nicer. For this backhoe here, I would just be putting some form of clip in there so there's not a lot of tension on these two connections. When I did get these drilled and tapped, and I actually had to thread this as well, I got so excited that the holes lined up, I put it all together, but I still need to put a hole in here for the dual. But what I think I'll do is transfer punch this one, get it drilled in, get this marked, drill it, put it back in, transfer punch it, and hopefully everything works out. Get this back together, get it back on the lathe, and hopefully before the end of the day, this project will be complete. I think the makeshift shim is going to work out perfect. Well, so far, got clearance on everything. Now it's just a matter of throwing the rest of it back together and getting it hooked up. Well, I'd say that's a success. Lathe is all back together, working good. Mister works great, 5-hour project.